Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through these two little new mini happy planners. One is horizontal, one is vertical, so stay tuned if you'd like to see what's inside. Okay, so I got these in my squad box, or in my mentor box, I should say, from the Happy Planner. Thank you, Happy Planner, for sending these to me. And let's just check these out together. So they're both 12-month planners. This one is a mini vertical. We've got gold discs. I do not have the names of these yet, but they are going to be available on March 4th on thehappyplanner.com. And I will put my affiliate link in the description box. I would appreciate if you would use my affiliate link if you plan to shop, because it is a piece of the puzzle that makes up my income and helps me to put out free content for you here, like as much as I do, which is a lot. So thank you for that. Okay, so the cover is like that muted plum color, and then we have like copper foil, like diamonds. Kind of cool. So the mini vertical I used before, and I did like it, but it was a little bit tough for me to plan in. Everyone's different, and everyone likes, you know, different styles of planners. So yeah, it was just a little bit tough for me. I did do it for, I think, a year. So I just flipped through a planner that had these same kind of dividers in classic sized in another video. So we've got neutral, little cute neutral baby pages. Look at these, mini vertical, and it's neutral. Love it. No color on there at all. One page in the month is going to have a little quote, and then the rest is blank. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, here's August, and that's what your currently page looks like. These, I'm just going to flip through these dividers really quickly and just show you. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to make sure you see the dividers in this planner. So to me, this feels kind of trendy and neutral and like motivating. And one more there. Yeah. So, and then the back has this, and then that is the back, and then this is the back cover. You've got that same pattern except in white. All right. Second one up is Doodles, and you guys know I love Doodles, so this one appeals to me. We've got yellow plastic discs and these cute doodles on the front. There's like little gold foil on there. And this one is a mini horizontal, which is also hard for me. Blank is making blank plans. Okay, so I also flipped through another planner that looked like this in classic size in the other one. So these are just minis of those. But your pages are gonna look very neutral. We've got the black lines that are separating it have to be a little bit thicker because it's horizontal. So, you know, it can't just like be another regular line, but they have listened to us as far as, you know, that we want more neutral planners. So this is great. And it's gonna, any color you choose for the week is just gonna match whatever's on the page. And that is what I've been waiting for that. So let's just quickly go through the cute little dividers. These are so cute. I just saw them in the classic, and they're just doodly and fun. Really cute. And some of these have foil, like this one has red foil on it. Is that a bra? I think that's a bra. That's so funny, like kind of lingerie. Wow. That's weird. Rainbows, springtime, feeling fine. May, we've got the little sunglasses. And then June, out of office, on vacay. There's our little note page and this cute little pattern in the back. And then here's the back cover. So I just think this one's adorable. I really, really like this one. So there are the 2 minis that I got. Like I said, excuse me, like I said, I appreciate using my affiliate link, and they will be available March 4th at thehappyplanner.com, probably 9 a.m. Pacific time, but I do not have that exact time as of yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which one's your favorite, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.